Reheating food in a microwave often makes it soggy or uneven, but using the Philips Airfryer NA221 can bring your food back to life with a crispy and fresh texture. Whether it's leftover pizza, fries, or snacks, the air fryer circulates hot air to heat food evenly without drying it out. Many people don't realize that reheating in an air fryer requires slightly different settings than cooking from scratch. The good news is that with the right temperature and timing, you can get near fresh results in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to reheat food properly using your air fryer. Try these. 1. Preheat the air fryer to around 160 to 180 degrees Celsius for a few minutes. 2. Place the leftover food in the basket without overcrowding. 3. Set the timer for 3 to 5 minutes depending on the food type. 4. Shake or flip the food halfway for even reheating. 5. Check if it's hot and crispy, then remove and serve immediately.